guys, it's second day. At ito yung bag namin.
Sponsored by 7-Eleven sa'yo.
Tang. Inspired by Toto De Pedro. Punta na kami sa venue. Morning. Ay, good up. Ano na pala? Good noon. Morning pa lang, 11 pa lang eh. Time check. 11:16. Next game na ata tayo. Next game na tayo. Next game na ata. Next game na po kami at kakarating lang namin. Ano masabi mo, boss? Inom pa more. Nag-inom ka din, di ba? Ano kasi ano?
Ikaw na to. Ang sarap.
Hindi, ayoko.
After games.
Wala na akong pera. Di ba win po kami kalaban ang UNOR. So 3-1 na po yun. Ay, 3-0 na po kami. At tsaka muna kami ngayon. Rar! Ay! Ay, patalo. Perfect sana yun kasi karin-karin din yan.
Bakit may dala akong ganito?
Siguro lang kayo iniwan ko ng akin doon. Ayun, nagdala ako daw. School na yun. POG.
Cute ng palo.
Pangit of the game. Guys, yung may idol po dito oh. Kung sino man po nag-idol dito guys, PM nyo ako. Ay kanina may nag-ano doon. Sabi niya ano daw si Marcon daw. At kami jowa na po si
Pero asa, hindi ako easy to get.
Ah. Sabi ko may jowa na po si Marcon. Ayun oh. Jennifer? Jennifer Ning? You got to love me for what I am. Banding sila. Bash nyo nga to, Ras Montaño.
Hindi ko kasalanan.
Parang mga 3 araw na ako mamumukhaan sa kanya. Baka mamaya mga putol na ulo ko ah.
Ikaw yan no, ikaw manyaksi mo ka lakat-lakat.
Lakat-lakat ka nga dula-dula katagal ng PM. Ginadodge mo ang ton nga hotel. Hop,
May
do
champion-
lain nga hotel gina
Ano eh?
pulian mo na yaw.
May championship tayo boss, mga semis.
Championship na serbo na na ya.
Oh, ito tandaan mo ah. Kasama sa vlog. Iniwan mo pa yung camera mo, mini camera.
Takot, wag mo ikat. Takot ka,
Oo, may
takot.
cut. Yes, so
Takot.
ano mo yung pangbuas. Hanggang 12 ka lang dapat, nakauwi ka na.
Malita ba yun?
And now we have our question and answer portion. And let me on our first candidate from Albania. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, let me have the line. Trong Thailand. Nó có cái mà thằng nó cái này giống như này. Này nó hồ xin này bằng này là gì hả? สวัสดีจ้าดีค่ะอันนี้นะครับคือว่าปูเชี่ยวปูนะคุณเม็ดมากเลยมันคือว่าห้องเลยว่า I'm so excited and so happy to be here at Mexico, and then thank you for the warm welcome. Thank you so much. And there is a very different culture and tradition here in our country, and it's a quite experience. And the most important to have this opportunity. Like, I just want to write some of those who really take a full of the world to the shop. ถูกแล้วถูกแล้วของฟิลิปปินส์ลอยมาผมเลยอุ้มมากเลยวะ One thing that makes this journey is I have that thing on my shoulder to help me with it. All right, so are you ready with your question? ถ้าก็รู้ว่าสิ่งที่เราสิ่งที่เราต้องใช้ใช่yes right on okay judge please be here judge you're a judge
Judge number 1, teacher age.
our judge
Hello there, Miss Thailand. My question is, if you'll be given a chance to speak to the president in just 1 hour, what topic would that be and why?
Look at me when it's in the league, and I'm into the taas, and I'm shoot and I'm going to get Do you need a translator? Yeah. I guess it's the night I need it. Good thing đi của I love to take time rồi nè, có cái president thì ở trước tất cả đây, em vẫn cái điều list là.
是啊，我看到这是哪里哇？你好了解你不到你看了吗？
One thing that I would sit and talk to the president within an hour is about the right and the privilege of the LGBTQ community.
你看到看哪是哪里碰的哇？忙忙的哇？上来哇？อะไรอยู่วะ
I, as a member of the LGBT community, I would like to talk about the inclusivity, the power, and the right that we should have in a society.
ห้องมาพุ่งเลยพุ่งเลยอันแม่อันแม่
Patulong na mag-ama.
And this is something that's really important to us because our ancestors, our old people keep on fighting for us to have a right in the society, to have a right in a place in the society, and that will be all. Thank you. And again, for 1 minute, let's proceed. Thank you so much, Shinan. Come on, all right, ladies and gentlemen.
To support my family, my friends, and I will support the country, the world, the universe, brother. And I am people with a heart, with a training.
Lalabas na bulag.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the prize revelation for our second runner-up, Miss India. Thank you so much. That reaction was quite impressive. All right, the winner will receive a 500,000 worth of prize. We have our Miss JBL Ambassadress, Miss Tantuoy 2025, a trip to Jerusalem, and happy Shalom, our Miss Universe 2025 is Miss Universe 2025 is Japan!